Hey guys, it's Lynn. So today I'm going to be opening up Homemade Blind Bag episode 53. Sorry, I have been posting. I have been sick. And this is a new box. It has some blind bags in them. I'm going to add a lot more. So we do have some new ones. Put this down. We do have a Spookies one pack, Shopkins thing, and a pet can blind bags. Blind bag tins. Okay. So let's add the Spookies one pack and all the pet cans. Okay. Hope we don't get any new ones. Shopkins Season 2 one pack. Shopkins Season 3. One more. Now there's Shopkins. I guess we'll get this. Yeah. Let's just get this Secret Life of Pets. Okay, let's open up our blind bags. So we'll get the Secret Life of Pets first. Probably open up all the Shopkins. And we forgot his name, but he's really funny in the movie. Ooh, we got Lana Lamp. Last one. This is not even a Shopkins Season 3, but okay. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, subscribe, comment, share. Love you guys. Bye.